What's up, Geekscapists? We're still here at PAX East 2026, and we were moseying around and stumbled upon the SanDisk booth. Met Derek here. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Yeah.
And we were just looking at the products they have on display, and he shared some very enlightening news that I'm embarrassed I didn't know about. So tell us what you got going on here at the PAX booth.
Yeah, definitely. So we're here at the SanDisk booth at PAX. A lot of people don't know, but in 2016, SanDisk was acquired by Western Digital. So after that point, SanDisk manufactured all the SSDs and branded them WD Black. So all the WD Black SSDs you love were made in SanDisk factories. So late last year, the companies have separated. So with that separation, we're bringing the SSD brands into our new gaming brand of SanDisk Optimus. So we're here at PAX letting all the gamers know that if you love our WD Black drives, pretty soon here you're going to want to look for SanDisk Optimus. Same factory, same build quality, no change in anything, just a rebrand into a new SanDisk Optimus look and feel.
And why don't you tell us about some of the tiers of the products that we got in here? You mentioned this one has a built-in heatsink.
Yep.
What are some of the features? DRAM,
NAND
flash. Let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Yeah, totally. So starting down here, we've got the SanDisk Optimus. This replaces what were our SanDisk or our WD Blue drive. So this is the SanDisk Optimus 5100. This is a screamer. We mainly market this towards content creation and Creative Pro. And then when you get up in here into the GX, this is where these products replace the WD Black. So this is the SanDisk Optimus GX 7100. This one's great for laptop gamers or entry-level PC gamers. It's DRAMless, which means it helps on power draw. That's good for your battery life.
Never thought about that. Never thought about that.
And then this little guy, same product, just in a smaller form factor. This is for the Steam Deck or handheld PCs. So, and again, also DRAMless, good, helps with power draw for the battery. Then when we get up into the GX Pro line, these are our top tier products. So this is the GX 850 or GX Pro 850X and the GX Pro 8100. So these three products are PCIe Gen 4. And then when you get up to here, this is PCIe Gen 5. Both of these are the high performance for Gen 4 and Gen 5. And when you get to that high performance, speed means power, means heat. So when you're talking about what's the enemy of performance, it's heat. So for both of these drives, we offer built-in heatsink options. So that's what you see here. These are the same products, bare drive, and then custom heatsink options.
So these ones would be if your motherboard had a built-in cooling solution.
Correct. If you want to add
Asus Armor and stuff like that.
Exactly right. Or you had your own custom cooling, exactly right.
And then are these two compatible with the PS5?
So this one, the GX Pro 850X is compatible with the PS5. We make a PS5 specific version of it. That is the 850p. So really the big difference is it's got a custom heatsink that this one includes an LED for gamers. And with the PS5, you can't see it when you put it in, so that it doesn't have a heatsink, and it's got a little bit different design heatsink. And we qual that with PS5, so it's licensed. We test it with them, and they verify that it works with the PS5. So yeah, that's very similar. It's called the 850p.
Okay. What's the I can remember the QCCQ. How do you
QLC?
QLC.
Yeah. So this is a QLC drive. And then when you get up in here, these are TLC. So we make both QLC and TLC drives.
And then where's the NAND flash being manufactured nowadays? I'm just curious with tariffs and everything like that.
Yeah. So we manufacture in a partnership with Kioxia out of Japan. Yeah, and that's always been the way. Even before acquisition, we've been making NAND with Kioxia for decades. So the big deal is that if you trust and love your WD Black, you're just going to have the same product, same build quality under SanDisk.
Yeah, just different sticker on there.
Exactly. I'll tell you, I got to tell you, because it's my favorite thing. It is cool. This 8100 is a screamer of a drive. So this launched late last year under the WD Black one, under PCIe Gen 5. When we launched this was the fastest SSD in the world.
Oh,
yeah. That's over 14 gigabytes per second.
Woo!
Yeah. And so there are people, competitors that have come out and can match our speed, but nobody's faster.
Yeah. And then how do you achieve those speeds? What's on?
It's a secret sauce.
That's a secret.
No. I mean, it's it's the firmware, the NAND that we put into it. It's got DRAM. We always like to say SSDs are like chicken soup. It's just a recipe. Everything has got you know, the same ingredients. We just make our recipes a little bit better in our opinion.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Yeah,
and I remember when you guys came out with the new logo, I was like, damn,
Yeah.
that's sharp.
Yeah. Well, thanks, man.
Yeah.
That's why we're here. We just want everybody to know SanDisk Optimus is coming. You'll have a little bit of crossover period where you can still buy WD Black SSDs as we ramp production and get, you know, inventory cleared out. And there's no reason not to buy a WD Black drive right now if you find it. The specs are the same underneath, same product, same factories. Now we're back to being our standalone company. We're bringing out SanDisk Optimus to the gamers.
And what kind of capacities can consumers get right now?
Yeah, it varies. So this one will go up to 4 terabyte. But these guys over here will go up to 8 terabyte.
Okay.
Yeah, so this goes 500, 1, 2, and 4. These guys go 1, 2, 4, and 8. So all the way up to 8 terabytes. It's huge.
And what are the price points we can expect nowadays?
Yeah, it varies depending. You know, like you say, it's kind of like asking the price of oil. You know, the demand.
My 401k doesn't want to know the price of oil right now.
Yeah, so but pricing varies as you go up in performance. These are ordered in performance, so these go higher performance up here, higher price, and then by capacity.
Okay.
Yeah,
right on.
So higher capacity is going to cost more.
Cool. All right. Well, is there anything else you want to share with us before we head out?
No, we're just excited to be at PAX. The reception's been great. And then, like I said, if you love WD Black products, make sure you look for SanDisk Optimus in the coming months.
Yeah, and then where people can find more of SanDisk in the near future.
SanDisk.com.
Okay, all right. All right, Geekscapists, thank you so much for tuning in.
Thanks, guys.
And we will see you more throughout the week for PAX East 2026.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Hell yeah. Thanks,
Good?
man. Yeah.
Did you get what you want?
Oh, yeah, more than enough. Yeah, really appreciate it.